So we are going to install the F150 LEDs Gen 2 Raptor grill kit on the 2022 Ford Maverick. In the kit, you're gonna get two quick connectors. Don't lose those. You're gonna get two prep pads to clean, and then you're going to get obviously the lights and then the sticky tape to make them stick. So inside the bag, you should have 3 of these double-sided sticky tape. Hopefully they hold up well because it is 109 degrees today. You'll have some, looks like 3 zip ties and then 3 separate LED lights. Mine is not a lariat. I believe if you have the lariat, you can do them up here. It looks like I'm going to have to do them down here, which I don't really love, but it's the only way I can get up through here and then bring them out through here. All right, hook tool works good. You can see I've got the 3 lights here. I gotta fix that one, but I think I'm just gonna do the front 3. You could space them out however you want though. So this part's pretty easy. Just get each connector and plug them together. So now we've got all 3 lights connected. We need to wire this to your orange lights on the side. So we'll need to get a tool to pop that out. If you wanna get in with a tool and pull it out that way. So we're gonna try that. And you can see it kind of just came out, but be careful, because I also messed up my paint there. We need to feed these down there. I was able just to feed it with gravity. I didn't have to get a coat hanger or anything. And you can see it just pulled right through. Get you a box cutter or something and cut apart a piece of this so it's exposed on each one. Okay, now that I have the wire exposed, you're gonna use these quick connectors. We are going to put the wire through the one that goes all the way through on the outside, and then the other wire from this on the one side, and then we're gonna click that down. But I think I got them right. I'm gonna power it up and see what happens. So this is popped back in, and now we can do the lights. Get your alcohol pad, clean the plastic very well, and clean the lights very well. Once you attach each side, you're going to want to hold down, just get good pressure on it for 60 seconds to 120 seconds. All right, once you get them on, hopefully straighter than mine. I definitely messed these up, but they'll be good for now. I'll have to get some more double-sided tape to redo those. We can go in and pull these tight and clean up the tailgate with these zip ties. Whatever, you know what I mean. Engine bay. And there you have it. We have the 3 Raptor style lights.